Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to change Mercedes B-Class rear brake pad. Just a brief reminder to allow airflow out of the brake system. Leave this open to get the bubbles out. So we're going to do a change for the rear brake pad. I've already got a warning light on my dashboard that my brake pad is there, and I've changed the front one recently, so 100% is the back one, the rear one. So the first thing we need to do to change this, we'll take the tires off already. We'll jack up, take the tires off, and yeah, we're gonna remove this and this and this. We're gonna take them off so we can get the brake calipers off and change the brake pad. So to do that, I'm going to show you the tools you need. Okay, you need let's see it properly. You need a 30 mm socket. You've got flat, that could do. I'm going to use a socket. So first, take one of these off. Let's see how that's happened. Don't take it all off. You need to take this off, otherwise this keeps moving around. So we're gonna take the top one off. If this can't fit in here, that's where you need a flat 13. Alright, so I've got my flat 13 on the top one. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, let's take them off. If this is actually moving, you might just get a flat driver to hold it tight. Yeah, that comes off, and this comes off. But now, I'm gonna take this off. There you go. So you got the brake drum off. Keep it somewhere safe and get it somewhere that it doesn't fall off. Okay. So now, yeah, that's off. So this is our brake pad. Let's see how bad it is. Okay, so if it's a bit hard to take off, you might need a bit of tapping to get the brake pad off. Yeah, so that's that one. Same thing for the rear. That's it. It's actually really low now anyway. So we're gonna get a new brake pad to fix it, but before we do that, we might need to push this back in. So I've got these tools to do that job. Because if you don't push it in, you won't be able to get the new brake pad in. It might be too big for it. So I'm gonna push that in. I want to get one of these from Hartford or somewhere. Your brake pad, brake caliper rewind kit. Got all of this. I'm gonna set it up and then push that back in. Alright, so this is all set up. You keep turning this to start pushing it in. I'm just see if I can show you why I do that, because hope you can see it. Yeah. Okay. So you turn nicely. It's pushing it back in, nice and gentle. See it? But that's fully back in. When you're done, you might need your slack it off, turn, and you get it out. Yeah, nice and easy. You push your brake caliper back in. Alright, now that's all set. We need to get the brake pad. The brake disc is still okay. Let's get the brake pad and fix it up. There we go. I've got 2 brake pads. Gonna put them side by side. Let's get that done. Open up. See the difference? Got a really good grip on this one. So yeah, whichever way. Go like that. Put one clip here. That's it. That clips in. Put the other way. Goes like this. There we go. But yeah, we're going to brake pad fixing now. So at this moment, you need your brake caliper back in. You see that? Fixing. So yeah, you put your 2 screws in. One down here and one up here. That's it. We'll tie them back in and we're nearly done. Woohoo! Make sure you tie this really well. That's it. The other one. That's it. So you got your brake pad fixed. That's all really. This could save you some couple of quid. I'm taking it to the garage. You can easily do it yourself. But remember, you need your 13 socket or your 13 flat, whichever one you've got, and your brake caliper rewind kit. Get it from Hartford easily. You can always use it for any cars. It's universal. That's how you can easily change your brake pads. Thank you very much. If you enjoy my video, please give me a like and subscribe for more videos. Have a good day. Bye.